I am Eric Pauly at ericpauly.com, and today we are going to speed up a video clip in Premiere Pro, and we're going to do it in 80 seconds, so let's rock and roll. I got a new project open in Premiere Pro. The workspace is currently effects. With that, we need to add a video to our library. I just drag and drop. Now we're going to do the same thing, drag and drop into the timeline, and that will create a sequence. Now we can add the effect. I'm going to right click on that video clip and we're going to go down to speed duration. I like working with percentages, but you can also change the actual duration of the video. That is the length. Now let's go 300. That's super fast. And you'll see it shorten. So now let's see how it looks all sped up. Whoa, that's fast. All right. And with that, you have sped up your video. I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye!